Is it too bright?
This is a smaller version of what I have here. I won't name it directly, but these are good.
Yeah, I got the top.
So that you can change.
Yeah, that is bright.
Direction, and then like a warning
Emergency,
or a help,
yeah.
You know.
These here are very good too.
And they're at the flea market.
Super bright.
Ooh, put them both on. Whoa.
Man.
That's good for camping as well. Keep
Yeah.
that inside the tent.
Yes.
And then flashlights. Now, these are nice ones, expensive ones. As long as you have a source of light, it really doesn't matter though.
Nah.
This one, I don't think this is, no, we have Ozark Trail. That brand.
Yeah, we have this brand here. Ozark Trail.
But they don't have the same style that we have. They got rid of it.
Yeah.
But these are good too, these lanterns.
There's these headlamps for $1. Honestly, $1, and they're pretty bright. You just clip it onto your hat, the bill of your hat, and you're good. There's also this for $1. Goes around your head if you don't have a hat. Now these are all the raincoats, ponchos, stuff like that. You know, they go up to what, 30 bucks, over 30 for this one here. Now you can come down to the bottom shelf here. Yeah.
Lightweight, and then just real quick, down and dirty,
97 cents, honestly, and it fits in your backpack. You know, really that's all you need sometimes. Now here's your bags, your hiking bags, backpacking, bug out, whatever you want to call it.
Checkers.
And naturally there's a big thing of checkers right there. Now here we go.
Oh yeah.
These really come in handy, especially with hurricane season and stuff. The bigger ones, the smaller ones for cell phones. They're watertight too. They're waterproof.
And not bad for year round. You go kayaking and stuff.
Yeah, you can totally go kayaking with it. You can film underwater.
Ooh, water jugs.
Yeah, the water jugs.
To refill.
Yeah.
Stock up on water, but also if you're not sure of the quality of water sources, if you have to go somewhere, or if you're not sure if the water wells have been contaminated, you can get the stuff to purify your tap water, life straws.
Yeah.
I still say get gallons of water and bottles of water, but this is a kind of last resort.
Yeah. Basically these are your Dollar Tree towels, your dollar store towels you can get for like $1.
Oh yeah.
And they actually expand to like, what, a hand towel?
Mm-hmm. What did you get me? Like Little Mermaid or something?
Yeah.
Or Frozen.
It's like $1.44 for that. And these are absolutely useless.
I bet you every grandmother has those. My mother has them with her crocheting and her needlework.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You know, honestly, for $10, I mean, you want a good multi-tool, and it does come with a pouch, and they do come in handy.
And you can get name brand Leatherman. I've had this 10 to 15 years, and it's even been run over by a forklift, and it's still alive.
And if things get really bad, get your adult universal life jacket, life vest, and they're only $5.88. Definitely worth it. Yeah, candles.
As far as the eye can see. Want to have candles? Not only does it smell pretty, but it's functional.
Oh, the candles.
Now to find something that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, like.
Yeah.
What do you want to smell this time? Strawberry mimosa? But the lid doesn't even come off. What do you think?
I think it smells like cotton candy.
pretzel bars.
Oceans.
Ocean's 11.
Hold on, let me smell it. Oh yeah, get those fumes going on.
What cook used to say smell-o-vision? I wish you had smell-o-vision. Emerald. Bam!
I'm used to that show from Nickelodeon. You can't do that on television. Remember the cook, what's his name? Bart, whatever.
I don't remember.
Can't remember his name.
I remember the lockers.
Oh yeah.
And like
Alanis Morissette.
Yeah, and it used to crash into the guy's face and would crack in the intro.
Yeah. I see cheesecake.
And we have another candle still at home.
Yeah.
It's like halfway, so this will be good. We'll have our candles.
I think I see Narnia like all the way back there. No, honestly, you want a little pick-me-up. You don't always want to just get food.
You want
You know,
to have
like you want to have
food,
nutritious
yeah.
food, yeah.
But
But you want at
sometimes-
least one pick-me-up.
Yeah, in case morale is low. I don't know if you want to eat this.
Well,
but,
maybe not that, but if you want a good time though, get a box of M&Ms, but get rid of the M&Ms and put the Skittles in there, and say, "Hey, you want some M&Ms?" And really, it's actually Skittles. I gave people heart attacks that way.
Don't forget your TT. Because when everybody knows the hurricane's coming, guess it's one of the first things to disappear.
Yep, one of the first things to go is your TP.
Oh, this one's-
And if you're traveling and I mean 68 cents, why not?
Or you can get that stuff that dissolves in case you need something.
Yeah.
Biodegradable kind, but
They have the RV in the RV aisle.
I'm afraid I'll start biodegrading before I'm done with it. Stock up on water. I'm only grabbing one because we have 3 at home. I've been grabbing one at a time every time we show up. Because this whole aisle was empty
Yeah.
during Irma.
Yeah, when there's a hurricane, this whole aisle is empty and there's nothing.
Do not wait for the last
Don't wait, or it's going to look like this. We're going to do a taste test. Spring water or purified drinking water.
I'm not sure, but it looks like something we have to try at some point. Tickle water.
Tickle water.
I don't know why this one's just sitting here. The rest are in packs, but it looks interesting.
Should we taste test this stuff? Should we do a food review?
Has anyone else tried it? Is it worth
Yeah,
it?
is it worth it? Let us know. They got watermelon too.
I'd probably go with the mango. I always opt for orange.
I want some high C. I want some Ecto Cooler.
I can't find that anywhere.
No, it's gone. We have some old school RC. And they only have one. I know the Dew crew would be all about it.
They don't have it now. We have a couple at home still, but they had these little packets of this peanut butter. It's powdered and you just add water. And this is probably pretty good too to get. I think you just add water to this as well.
Yeah.
But that's good in a pinch. Superfood.
Real nutrition from real food.
And it doesn't take up a lot of space and it's not heavy.
Yeah.
I'll get into later about dehydrated foods versus canned foods.
Yeah.
But more on that later.
But more on that later. Not that it's the most nutritious thing, but
It's the most cost effective.
for 25 cents and all you do is add water, honestly.
And it's lightweight. And then you can get
Yeah.
a 12 pack. I think we have one of these stashed away
Yeah.
for less than $2.
Yeah, $1.94 for a 12 pack. These are great. I already picked a couple of these up. You know, like this here is only $1.50, and you get 4 in there. It's a pretty good size, and it's applesauce. They fit in your backpack pretty good. They're great on the go. Great for emergency. And she, what are you digging for?
Well, I want his garlic one, but it's been smashed, so I was looking for another one.
Hulk smash.
But I don't see another one. But I was gonna get 2, like 1 for you, 1 for me.
1 for you, 1 for me.
I found it.
Yay! What?
Alright, which one do you want? The loaded? No,
Me?
The garlic.
Sure.
Fruit cups, another good option. You can get the canned, but once you open one of those big cans, if you don't finish it all, you gotta worry about how you're gonna store it.
Yeah.
And I take these to work.
And she takes these to work. They're up for hurricane protection. For the hurricane protection. And I have some for the doors, which aren't up on right now.